Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can allow or block third-party cookies in Google Chrome. So let's go to the top right corner and let's click on these three dots. Now choose Settings. On the left side we want to switch to Privacy and Security, and then finally choose third-party cookies. Over here we have the default behavior, so sites automatically follow this setting when you visit them, and by default we have Allow third-party cookies. We can also block third-party cookies in incognito mode, so if you switch to the incognito mode, they will be blocked. However, if you use the default mode, then third-party cookies will be allowed. At the same time, we can also switch to block third-party cookies, and that means that they will be always blocked. However, at the bottom of these settings, we also have customized behaviors, and we can add exceptions. So if you choose to block third-party cookies, then you can make exceptions over here. We can press Add button in order to add a site that will be allowed to use to provide these third-party cookies regardless of this option over here. And if you want to remove, then you can click on this trash icon over here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.